Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to your easy guide on how to clock in on desktop for 2025. This quick tutorial simplifies the entire process, so you can track your time accurately and without any hassle. We know that getting set up can sometimes feel a bit tricky, but with our clear, step-by-step instructions, you will be clocking in and out like a pro in no time. Let's make your daily routine smoother, starting right now. First, you need to access your company's official time tracking portal. This is typically a unique website address or a dedicated desktop application. Your employer will provide you with the correct link or software to use. It is a good practice to bookmark this page in your web browser or create a desktop shortcut for the application, ensuring you can quickly navigate there whenever you need to clock in or out. Once on the portal, locate the Login section. Here, you will enter your personalized username and password. These credentials are provided by your company and are unique to you. Be prepared for multi-factor authentication if your system uses it. This might mean entering a code sent to your phone or email. Always double-check that you are on the correct, secure site before inputting any personal information to protect your account. After successfully logging in, your main dashboard should display a clear Clock In or Start Work button. This is the moment of truth. Simply click this button to register your official start time. The system will process your action, and you might see the button change to Clock Out or a similar option, indicating your status. It is designed to be straightforward, so one decisive click is usually all it takes to begin your workday. Always wait for a confirmation message to appear after you click to clock in or out. This small message, often a green banner or a pop-up, confirms that your time has been successfully recorded in the system. If you do not see a confirmation, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. If issues persist, reach out to your HR or IT support for assistance. A confirmed entry means your workday is tracked accurately and completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.